Hello friends, welcome to this channel. I'm your one and true host and friend and the owner of this pond. I'm Mr. Godwin, God's time, Godwin. I'm going to be teaching you guys something very interesting. And this is a new pond. As you can see, I have a tarpaulin pond here, and I have a plastic pond that is being cut for fingerlings and post fingerling. So I'm going to take you guys on a ride through the next 4 months, the next 120 days. I'm going to teach you guys step by step what to do on how to raise your catfish from fingerlings to jumbo matured size. So I aim at getting a 1 kg size of catfish at the end of the fourth month of rearing my catfishes. So in the cost of this new channel, you do not want to miss this channel. In the course of this channel, I'm going to be teaching you guys series of things that has to do with fish rearing, like from A to Z guides on how you can rear your catfish from fingerlings to maturity. So in the course of this channel, videos that I'm going to be posting on this channel, I'll teach you guys how to sort very good fingerlings or post fingerlings. You must have very healthy fingerlings and post fingerlings to have a successful fish rearing. So you must know how to get healthy fingerlings for rearing. And after that, I'll teach you guys how to feed your fingerlings or post fingerlings to maximize their growth. So I'll teach you guys how to feed them so that at the end of the day they are growing in the same maximity, like they are growing in the same pace, the same sizes. We all know that in catfish farm you must go through constant sorting. If you do not get to take off the big ones from the small one, they tend to cannibalize and eat themselves off. So I'll make you to know how to feed your fishes so they grow up in the same pace, so that you have less cannibalism. You have less of them eating themselves. They are going to be of the same sizes and growth, all through till they get to maturity. So you only get to sort very few, very few. That's why I'm having a tarpaulin pond and a plastic pond. So at some point, I would see that I have the ones not growing in the plastic pond and have the ones of the same size as in the tarpaulin pond. So I'll teach you guys how to feed your catfish the right way. We all know that catfish are very funny creatures. Like they do not get tired of eating food. Like they don't get tired of eating food. The more you feed them, the more they eat. And of course, if they feed in excess, they tend to die of excess feeding. Like if you feed them way too much, they keep eating and have very large stomach that they cannot control and they die of it. Of course, it's normal that you would see one or two of them dying of the same procedure, dying of being overfed. You will see them. But if you do not know how to feed them and what rates to feed them, you experience more of your catfish dying off to excess feeding. And it's not something nice that feed are very expensive and still you get to feed them and let them die out of excess feeding. It's not pleasing at all. So I'll teach you guys how to feed them and how to range their feeding so they feed on a normal pace. Then I'll teach you guys how to treat them. Yes, catfish are very rugged. They are very rugged fishes. They do not get sick very often. They are very strong fishes. But however, you need to know how to boost their immune system. I'll teach you guys how to boost your catfish immune system so they fall less often to sickness. In short, in the course of these 4 months, you won't see them falling to any form of sickness. In as much you boost their immune system at least once in a month. Okay, we all know that it's a very key component that you have bitter leaf at the side of your farm. See that you have bitter leaf planted at the site of your farm because bitter leaf does magic to catfish. So what you just need to do to that aspect is you would just do some very key component thing that I will teach you guys in series of videos that are coming up, that will come up in my channel. I'll teach you guys how and what to use to boost your catfish immune system. Also, in the course of this channel, I'll teach you guys how to make feed. The cost of feed it's on a very high rate. I think the least feed that one can get in the market it's about 30,000 naira. Because I know feeds like Blue Crown is about 33,000 naira in the market, and of course, catfish business, your costs are mainly on feeding. So if you must maximize your profit, you must know how to customize, make your own homemade feed. And of course, I'll teach you guys A to Z how to make your feed on this channel. So stick to my channel. This channel, please do well to see that you like this channel, follow this channel, and turn on your post notification on this channel so that whenever I drop content, you'd be the first to see them and watch them. You need to know how I make my feed. They are way healthier and richer than what you buy in the market. You want it costs me very less to make feed. I'll teach you guys what I use to make my feed, what content and how it's being done. I'll teach you from A to Z how to make it to even float. So I'll teach you guys all of this thing in the course of videos in this channel. So do well to see that you are active on this channel. Okay, Mosu, I'll teach you guys. What else am I teaching you guys? I'll teach you guys how to control your water temperature so it doesn't get too cold on the fishes during Harmattan. I'll teach you guys. I just can't have them all in my head right now, but in the course of this channel, I'll be having videos that you'd want to see that you watch and learn from. So stick to the fact that this channel would actually help you to become a better farmer and to rear more healthy fishes. So do well to follow up my channel and learn what I have to teach you. You will be glad that you are part of this family. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I have here. I have some post fingerling and I have some that are juveniles. I have some juveniles like they're just growing up, very fast. Like they're growing on a fast pace. I have them in this pond. So while you stick to my channel, I'll teach you guys why I rear my fishes. So we all learn and grow them at the same time. So you see what I am doing and how it works with what I am telling you in real time. So stick to my channel while we grow together. Meanwhile, let me show you what I have on my pond so you see how they are now and how they are going to be the next one, two, and the third month, or perhaps the next two, three, and the fourth month from now before I'll sell it off and restock. So please thanks for being part of this channel. Thanks for watching this video till this length. I really appreciate you for giving me your time. I would expect you to stick to my video and learn more things that you need to learn to be an active farmer. So thank you and God bless you. And do well to wait and experience my next video. I'll start teaching you what you need to know from my next video. You do not want to miss it, please. I would like to see that you drop me your enquiries, your questions, your responses. You can actually add to what I put online. So I would want to see them on my comment section. Tell me what you feel and hear what I've got to say. Ask me questions, whatever thing you wish to ask me, and I'll respond to you swiftly on the comment section. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to be glad and do very good work for you guys. Thank you and God bless you. So these are my post fingerlings. As you can see, they are already getting to juvenile stage. I'm feeding them very well. So they're getting to juvenile stage already. As you can see them, see they are very healthy. They are very sharp. They are feeding very well. I tend to feed twice. I do feed twice in a day. So I do feed them twice in a day. The same timing. If it's 10 in a.m., it will be 10 a.m. and 10 p.m. So just like that. That's how I tend to feed them. Mm. So as you can see, I have very good growing post fingerlings. They are already in their juvenile stage. So by the end of let's say in 5 6 days time, I may want to sort some of the bigger ones out to the tarpaulin pond so they can be with their pair with their sizes. So that's what I'm going to be doing anytime in the next 4 5 6 days time from now. You can see they are foodie, they like food, like eating a lot. Okay, these are my newly grown. I think they have gotten to juvenile stage. Last 2 weeks they were just post fingerlings. I do feed them accurately. So at this point, I've gotten pre-juvenile stage. Like they are growing at a very fast pace. Like I'll teach you guys on the feed I use. I tend to exhibit some component of feed. Like there are some feed that are very more functional than some. So I'll tell you the one I would prescribe you use for your post fingerling so that you see them grow very fast to juvenile stage. So I'll teach you guys that as well. As you can see them, I don't know if it's very clear for you to see them in the inside the water. Okay. I think I'll drop some feeds so you see them in real time. Hold on, let me drop some feeds.